Once I learned this trick with cucumbers, I never stopped doing it. Start with 500 g of small cucumbers. Season them with half a tablespoon of salt. Now it's time to add room temperature water and mix everything together. Leave the cucumbers to rest for 15 minutes. It's the perfect time for you to do a little dance in the kitchen while you wait. After this time, take a sieve and remove all the seasoned water. Now, let's wash the cucumbers with some brand new water. A touch of freshness never hurts, does it? Now, let's assemble our preserve. In a jar, add a bay leaf, pepper flakes, black pepper and a tablespoon of sugar. Oh, and don't forget salt to taste. We're creating a symphony of flavors. Then top up with the cucumbers, a third of a carrot, 2 red peppers and, of course, that little green pepper that gives the dish all its charm. Finally, add 120 milliliters of white vinegar and 250 milliliters of boiling water. This will ensure that everything tastes great. Now all you have to do is cover the jar and let it rest in the fridge for 24 hours. The wait will be long, but I guarantee it will be worth it. And here it is. Our wonderful preserve with its irresistible flavor is ready to be devoured. Perfect as a side dish or even as a snack. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and follow our page. That way, you'll always get great tips like this. Until next time, everyone.